Hi there, this is Stu with Ukulele Zen. I truly appreciate you joining me for this ukulele lesson. We're going to be learning How Deep Is Your Love by the Bee Gees. I've put it in a beginner-friendly key of C, great for ukulele players. I hope you'll stick around for the entire video because I'm going to be sharing some great strum tricks, handy tips for your fretting hand, and after we go through each section of the song in a very easy to follow way, we're going to be playing the entire tune together. Let's start with the introduction. The chords, pretty easy to follow along with. I'll break down this strum I'm doing in just a moment. You can strum this any way you like. I like to put this percussive effect on. I know your eyes in the morning sun. We'll get to that verse in just a moment. The chords for this introduction are C, C major 7, then an F major chord, and then a G7 chord. All right, now the strum I'm using, you can strum any way you like. I like to put a little percussive effect. So I'm playing this pattern of down, up, tap, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up, tap, up, down. Totally optional. I enjoy putting it in. This is how I like to do it. Down, up, then I touch lightly, not too hard, and as I touch, bring some awareness to my index finger so it's ready for the next up strum. Try saying it while you play it, and look at your hand too, so you really connect the circuitry, really imprints it into your neural net deeper. Ready to say it and play it? 1, 2, here we go. Down, up, tap, up, 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 down, up, tap. And now just feel it, just flow. Nice light tap. Then 1, 2. I know your eyes in the morning sun. We'll get into the verse next. Really quick, there's another way I like to play that tap, and you'll see me do it in this video. I go down, up, and then I just kind of swing my thumb, and I do that same effect, but just rotating my wrist, like I'm hitchhiking. You could also apply a very light chuck. However you want to get that percussive sound in there, go for it. Let's go through the chords for the verse, nice and slow at first. We'll just let each one ring while we sing, and then after we'll play it as a steady tempo. First note is ah. 1, 2, 3. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. Pretty basic, straightforward chords will get more colorful in the bridge with some nice jazzy open chords. Let's add the groove now. 1, 2, 1, 2. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. Obviously, I don't sing like the Bee Gees, and there's only one of me, but sing it from your heart, and that's what we're here to do. Are you enjoying this so far? I really appreciate you watching. Do me a huge favor, will you please reach out and click that like button? It is a big help for YouTubers. It tells YouTube to share my content with others. And please leave a question or a comment down below. I love hearing from all y'all. Thanks for watching. Now let's go through the chords for the bridge. Same process here. Let's just play each chord slowly, warm up our voice, and then we'll play it with a groove later. First chord, one of my favorites of all time. F major 7, 5/5 open, open. And you come to me. Next, move these same 2 fingers down to the 2nd fret. On a summer breeze. Big breath here. D minor. Keep me warm in your love. B flat 7. And you softly leave. I know, the bar chords are tricky for many people, and I have a whole bunch of tutorials about them. Check this one out right here. It will really help you with a process that will help make your bar chords easier. Don't give up on bar chords. You will get it with consistent effort. Then you softly leave. Now, this middle finger is right where it needs to be. Just pivot on it and plop down that other finger. You got E minor 7. And it's me you need to show. Back to the 1st chord. How deep is your love? And now let's play the whole bridge with a groove. 1, 2, 1, 2. And you come to me on a summer breeze. Keep me warm in your love. Then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? And you know, that last C chord overlaps with the chorus. Let's get into the chorus right now. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? F. I really mean to learn. The next chord is C. And look, our pinky is right where it needs to be. You just lift this off. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools. There's that B flat 7 chord again, breaking us down. Now we're going to make a little more colorful by adding the 2nd finger right here. When they all should, take it off, let us be. Let's get ready for that F minor 6 again. Let go, leap, land. We belong to you and me. And the pinky is right there waiting for you. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now we're ready to play the entire thing. So let's do this together with a steady tempo. Strum with whatever strum feels comfortable. You don't have to do the tapping thing. Try to think ahead to the next chord. You know, while I'm on the F chord, I'm already thinking and I'm feeling my hand in that position. It's amazing what the power of visualization will do. You can see the next chord diagram, and there's a way of, it's like a tactile visualization. I feel my hand before it even gets there. With enough practice, and of course, don't forget to smile as you do that, with enough practice, guided repetition with kindness, this stuff gets easier and easier. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think if you got any questions. Hope you'll share this video with your friends. Let's play the whole tune. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Day of Love, whatever day you happen to find this video on. Intro, 2, 3, 4. Take a few deep breaths. Let the groove take over. See if the music can play itself. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze. Keep me warm in your love. Then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really mean to learn. 'Cause 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You hold the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest hour. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think that I care for you, when you know inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really mean to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Ba-dum ba-dum-dum. Ba-da-la-dum-dum-dum-dum. Ba-da-da-dum-dum-dum-dum-da. La-la-da-da-da-da-da. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really mean to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Now a little outro. Let's do it again. Ready? See? Thanks for watching. Thank you for making music. Thank you for making music with me. Hey, if you watched all the way to the end, leave a comment down below and say, I made it, or something to that effect. I hope you enjoy playing this song for yourself and for anyone in your life who you want to express some love to. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day. Look forward to seeing you in another video soon.